In a photo provided by Stephen Tatum, an orange alligator is seen near a pond in Hanahan, SC. Photos show the 4 to 5 foot long alligator on the banks of a retention pond at the Tanner Plantation neighborhood. While no one knows exactly why this alligator is orange, J. Butfiloski with the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources says the color may come from where the animal spent the winter, perhaps in a rusty steel culvert pipe. Experts say the alligator will shed its skin and probably return to a normal shade soon. Though this alligator may not be naturally orange in color, the planet is full of many weird-looking creatures that, at times, look like alien species. Stay tuned to check out some more unfamiliar beings. A rare blue lobster. Lobsters already resemble alien species. But how about a blue lobster? Here, a rare blue lobster is held by waitress Melissa Hamilton at Becky's Diner in Maine, U.S. It is estimated that the chance of catching a blue lobster is about 1 in 2 million. A fisherman in Penghu, Taiwan, discovered an unusual, green, jelly-like creature stuck to his fishing rod. The long, slimy thing is believed to be a ribbon worm or nemertea, which usually lives on the seafloor. Dumbo octopus. Grimpoteuthis or the Dumbo octopus is the deepest living of all octopus species. It got its name for its ear-like fins, which loosely resemble those of the Disney character, Dumbo the Flying Elephant. A native of Madagascar, the has a lot in common with woodpeckers. It uses a combination of its rodent-like teeth and a long middle finger to gnaw holes and dig out insects. Blobfish. This grumpy-looking, gelatinous creature lives deep in the ocean, where its gooey flesh helps it to remain buoyant. It primarily feeds on edible matter that floats in front of it, like deep-sea crustaceans. Loris. Found in the tropical woodlands of Southeast and South Asia, the loris is a solitary, nocturnal forager. Its already fragmented population is further threatened by the fast disappearance of habitat. Long-eared jerboa. The long-eared jerboa is a nocturnal mouse-like rodent found in China and Mongolia. The only living member of its genus, little is known about the jerboa and it is considered endangered. Sphinx. The Sphinx is a hairless cat developed from selective breeding. Known for its extroverted nature, it displays a high level of energy, intelligence and curiosity. The first Sphinx, named Prune, was born in 1966. Longbeaked echidna. The echidna is one of 2 types of mammals that lay eggs. The other is the platypus. Found in Australia and New Guinea, forest clearing and overhunting threatened the already small echidna population. Yeti crab. The Yeti crab or Kiwa hirsuta was discovered in 2005 near Easter Island in the South Pacific. Living in the depths of the ocean, the furry crab does not have eyes and cultivates gardens of bacteria on its claws for food. Tarsier. Measuring just over a half an inch, 16 millimeters, in diameter, a tarsier's eyes are as big as its brain. Once found across North America, Europe and Asia, the tarsier population is now restricted to the forests of Southeast Asia. Sun bear. The smallest member of the bear family, the sun bear is reclusive, nocturnal and found in Southeast Asia. It has an exceptionally long tongue to extract honey from beehives. Due to its stocky build and short muzzle, it's also called dog bear. Axolotl. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is actually an amphibian found in just 2 lakes in central Mexico. It has the rare trait of retaining its larval features throughout its adult life. Commander. The commander is a Hungarian sheepdog, descended from Tibetan dogs. While a commander puppy is born with soft, wavy coat, the coarse outer coat develops tassels as the dog matures. The cord-like coat helps the dog blend with his flock and protects him from extreme temperatures and beasts of prey. Leafy seadragon. The leafy seadragon is covered with leaf-like appendages, making for excellent camouflage. Found only in Australia, It has been protected by the Australian government after its numbers shrank dramatically in the 90s due to pollution, habitat loss and poaching. Shawbill, owner of an extraordinarily large beak, the shawbill is found in the tropical swamps of central tropical Africa. The species was only discovered in the 19th century, and its population is considered vulnerable due to rapid habitat loss and rampant hunting. Pygmy marmoset, native to the Amazon basin, the pygmy marmoset is the smallest monkey in the world, weighing just over 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. The animal has a specialized diet of tree gum. Viperfish, true to its appearance, the viperfish is a fierce deep-sea predator that uses a bioluminescent bait, dangling from its back, to lure its prey, usually crustaceans and other small fish. The tiny fish can live up to 20 to 40 years, but it cannot survive in captivity. Saiga. The saiga is a critically endangered antelope that originally inhabited a vast area of the Eurasian steppe zone. Today, it is found only in pockets in Kazakhstan and Mongolia. The saiga's unusual nose filters dust from the air and keeps it cool during the summer. During the winter, its nose heats up frigid air before it reaches the lungs. Frill-necked lizard, a member of the dragon family. The frill-necked lizard got its name because of the large ruff of skin around its neck, which it unfurls when feeling threatened. It is found mainly in northern Australia and southern New Guinea. Proboscis monkey, endemic to the jungles of Borneo, the proboscis monkey is one of the largest monkeys found in Asia. The male monkey uses its fleshy, pendulous nose to attract mates. Excellent swimmers, the proboscis monkey has evolved with webbed feet and hands. Hispaniolan solenodon, found only on the island of Hispaniola in the Caribbean. The Hispaniolan solenodon is the only living mammal species capable of injecting venom through specially modified teeth. The solenodon population is threatened by habitat encroachment. Guineafowl puffer, an inhabitant of the Pacific Ocean, the guineafowl puffer has a heavily rounded, prickled body, which it can blow up like a balloon when threatened. Pulley. The intelligent and active pulley is a Hungarian breed. The tight curls of the coat are similar to dreadlocks, making it virtually waterproof. Hairy frogfish. The hairy frogfish inhabits shallow, sandy areas, reefs or deep waters found across the world. Its peculiar pectoral and pelvic fins enable it to walk on the seabed in search of food. Gharial, a critically endangered animal native to the Indian subcontinent, the gharial is characterized by its long, thin snout. The crocodilian feeds exclusively on fish. The remaining gharial population is in danger of becoming extinct, because of rapid habitat loss and getting trapped in fishing nets. Hagfish. The eel-shaped, slime-producing hagfish is a living fossil, remaining unchanged in its structure and habits for over 300 million years. Known to devour its dead or injured prey by entering their bodies, a hagfish can go without food for months due to a slow metabolism.